Hi, this is Brandon from OJC Technologies, here from DrupalCon San Francisco with a quick tour of a new tool that's called Drupal Gardens from Acquia that lets you build a Drupal site without worrying about the hosting, the installation, the setup, the security updates over time. Simply come to this website and it's Drupal as a service on the web. Sign up with an account and build a Drupal website. It's really great. I'm going to give you a quick tour of it now. And if you would like to try it out, all you need is a beta demo account to let me know. You come to drupalgardens.com and click Get Started to start building a Drupal site. So we'll give it a name. And click the button. And it builds sites from a template. So this is the campaign template. The campaign template has mailing lists, comments, stay connected, all these things turned on. And I could decide, I don't need forums in my site. Or yes, I do need an FAQ. Choose what features I need. I could also pick an entirely different template. There's a product template or create your own. There will be more templates in the future. And just click the create button. It starts building the site, building a structure, getting everything I need, and again, I don't have to be buying hosting, installing, setting up Drupal, worrying about security updates over time. The service is free. It's in beta this year, and even after that, they promise it'll be free for small sites, and you'll only have to pay if you, for example, want your own domain name, but you can build a site in their domain name for free at any time. Just like WordPress.com that allows people to easily start a WordPress site and grow it here. And of course, you can always export your site like you can from Drupal Gardens, export your site and take it off and get your own hosting or add your own tools later if you need. So here is my site. Welcome to Drupal Gardens. It's given me a default theme that came with my campaign template, a structure already. See, I have home, about, blog. It's given me a sample article, and in every part of the site, some sample information. The first thing we can do is use some of their tools to change the visual look, to pick different themes and customize them. You might have noticed this is all based on Drupal 7 that has OJC's accessibility improvements built right in. They've also added some other tools. There's a theme manager here that the Drupal Gardens team at Acquia has built to let you really easily pick a theme and a structure that your site's built off of. So these are a lot of different themes. We'll stick with this one, but show you how you can change your theme by clicking on styles. By clicking on brand, we can pick a completely different color scheme. And there we go. I like that one. And we can put in logos, put in all new spacing, all new styles if we want. Excuse me while I go grab a logo file. Let's see. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. So I can upload a logo and, well, that sort of looks okay, but now I can click on styles and make it look even better. So I can click on any part of the site and realize, well, this logo doesn't quite look right on that color background, but if we give the logo a white background, there we go, a white background rather than transparent, it'll look right. But now, it really needs some padding to look right. Okay, that looks a little better. And now all of this stuff here needs some left padding so that it looks right as well. You can click on any part of the page and make edits and control where things go. You can even change fonts. So I can pick from a bunch of different fonts, including some of these fonts from Typekit that are not typically web fonts until now. There we go. And I can pick different colors from my palette. Okay, so that's me, picking my theme and making some customizations to it. Obviously, I didn't take time to do a nice graphic design. I just tweaked things here and there. But really, in 15 minutes, you can have a beautiful site that's um, attractive, engaging, and it already comes with a great structure for you to start with. On any page of the site, you can also change the layout of a particular page. So, this page has an article on it, but if I decide that I don't like the column structure here, I can click under layout and I can simply pick a different layout. So this current layout on the page is this one here, big section on the right, and then a small column on the left. Maybe I want a layout more like this, and I could choose to apply it just to this page or to every page. Okay, so now my structure has the column on the left instead of on the right, and as we go through the site, that structure applied to the page where I made the change. At any point, you can click on the little gears and change the structure of a page, edit content, edit things. So if I want to edit this menu, I can click on the little gear next to it and of course get Drupal's pop-up. Okay, maybe I want the blog to come next to the forum. I can rearrange blocks this way, put things in different columns once I've tweaked the structure of a page. It already came with a blog, with a sample blog structure, same with the forum, same with the FAQ, and it's really easy to begin just adding content to my site. Here's my first blog post, and it comes with media and easy to use WYSIWYG support. So I can pick an image, I can say that's the image I want here, and drop it right into the page. It just does this out of the box. I didn't have to worry about modules and support. Okay, yeah, that's the image I want. There we go. It's in my page. Save. And here's my blog post. Okay, great. So the Drupal Gardens environment provides this out-of-the-box, easy to customize, easy to configure and change tool set. It also has online help. So if you click help, you'll get videos, documentation, even a help desk where you can ask questions, and you can manage any number of sites you want for free in Drupal Gardens. So I have 4 sites now. I can add a new site at any time, and if I decide that I want to grow bigger than Drupal Gardens lets me, either I can, if I want my own domain name, pay for that as a paid service once they get this out of beta and launch this for real, or I can export my site at any time and decide that I want to host it somewhere on my own and do my own customizations, add my own tools to this. And again, there was no cost for me to start my site here, grow it here in Drupal Gardens, and when I'm ready to branch out, I can. So that's Drupal Gardens. I think it'll radically change Drupal building, making the point of entry much easier. Just sign up for an account to start building a site in Drupal.